Assalamu alaikum everyone, wish you a very unique garden decor ideas. I hope you enjoy my videos, so please don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.